In the previous video, we have downloaded price information for our list of stocks: Google, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi. Now we're going to download the income statement. So we can download 4 years of information for 4 income statements. So I copied and pasted the file, download price information. I changed the name to download income statement. We can still use pandas and Yahoo query. The tickers can stay the same, but we need to create a new folder here, income statement, and change the folder here. Our for loop will be almost exactly the same. The only thing we have to change here is we have to write dot income statement, and we have to open brackets, and this is going to download the yearly income statement. So I'm going to run it. And the files have been saved. When we open the folder, we can check, and all the information has been saved. So now we have the yearly information. We can also download the quarterly information, and the only thing we have to do here is to add Q. And now it's going to download the quarterly information. I will create a new folder, income statement Q, and I will change it here to income statement Q. I will rerun this, and I will download the quarterly income statements now. And that's finished. Now we'll check in the folder if it worked. And here we see 3 months. So here we have the quarterly information. So this is how we can download the income statements and save it to CSV file from multiple stock tickers.